Lumia Stream is an exciting way for your chat to interact with your lights, and even distract you in the heat of the moment. We will want to make sure that Lumia Stream is installed on our PC. To do this, head over to lumiastream.com, get Lumia Stream for free, scroll down to the very bottom, free for Windows, and then go ahead and save it into your download folder. Once you've installed Lumia Stream, go ahead and log in using your Twitch account. Now that we're logged in, our next step is to connect our key lights. To do this, on the left panel, scroll down to Connections, click Add New Connection, and in the space, type Elgato, select Elgato key light, then connect. A list of key lights will begin to populate. Go ahead and select yours and then select next, and make sure you refresh the system. Now that we have our key lights connected, head over to the Studio tab, then Animations. Our next step is to do Add Animation, but since I already have one done, I will just walk you through what I have. It is important to make sure that you have a name for your animation. For this tutorial, we'll be naming it Flashbang. There will be 3 slots for this animation. To add slots, go ahead and click the Add Slot, but since we have 3 of them already done, we're going to go ahead and go into the edit mode. For slot number 1, this is just going to be your audio file. So the duration will be at 1, transition will be at 1, and you'll scroll down to the audio and use throwing flashbang sound. You can find this sound at myinstance.com, and I'll provide the link in the description below. Set the audio level to 100 and make sure the loop is off. And if you want, you can go ahead and test the audio and adjust the volume level as needed. For slot number 2, duration will be at 4 seconds, transition at 0. The audio file that we'll be using is the flashbang sound effect. Make sure the audio level is at 100% or adjust as needed, and make sure that the loop is off. Next, we're going to be adding our key lights. Click on Manage Key Lights and Smart Plugs, and any light that you have connected should show right here. Make sure that the power is on and that the temperature and brightness are both at maximum. And once we're finished here, we'll go ahead and select Done. For slot number 3, duration should be 3 seconds, transition should be 0, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Manage Key Lights and Smart Plugs since there's no audio for the slot. Add our key lights back in and make sure that they're back to your default setting. Just make sure they're turned on. Once this is finished, go ahead and select Done. Now that we're done adding our key lights, go ahead and select Done and refresh the app. Now that we have our animation done, we'll want to head back to our main dashboard, then to Commands, then to Twitch Points, Add Command. Since I have this done, I will walk you through mine. For this channel reward, we're going to name it Flashbang. Your animation and your channel reward name should be the same. For delay, it should be 1 second, and what delay does is the time that the viewer selects the reward to the time that the flashbang actually goes off. Your type should be animation, your value should be flashbang, and your points, I set it as 500, but you can set it as however you like. Cycles, I just do 1. If flashbang is set up correctly, you can head over to your channel dashboard and then go to Viewer Rewards, to Channel Points, and then to Manage Reward and Challenges. And if you scroll down, you should find your flashbang in your list. Flashbang is one of our community's favorite channel reward redemptions, and it can be yours too.
Throw in flashbang.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe for future content. Until next time, check out my other tutorial on how you can change your Twitter profile using Lumia Stream.